वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतलीं साऊद आनी भलायकेन. अँड टुडे आय एम गोईंग टू मेक फॉर आर टी टायम that is brownie, eggless brownie. So I thought I had made it, but today I checked and it's not there. So what we need for our eggless brownie? So no eggs. The first ingredient what we need is 1/4 cup of all purpose flour, that is plain flour. It's not all purpose flour, plain flour. Then we need, can you see this? 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, chocolate cocoa powder. I have used this cocoa powder, Cadbury company. Then we need a paste out of this. These are dates, and it's 1/2 cup of dates. Instead substitute of sugar. I'm not using sugar. So this I will soak now and then grind it in a paste with water. Then we need 1 cup of curd and 3/4 cup of walnut. So this is all what we need. These cups, measuring cups, are available on Amazon. You can buy it. Then we need 2-3 cup, that is 2 by 3 cup, this small piece of butter, and it's like around 25 grams of butter. And we need this 1 bar of dark chocolate, or you can use any dark chocolate. Little bit of salt will be added accordingly. So first thing, and yes, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So just check this. This is 1 teaspoon. This is 1/4 teaspoon. This is inch. Then this is 1/3 cup, 1/2 cup, 1 cup of curd, 3/4 cup of walnut, and this is 2-3, that is 25 grams of butter, Amul butter, or you can use any other butter. So let's start. Okay, so first thing, the process is like this. This and this, we have to melt it in a double boiler. This I will now soak this in hot water and then grind to a fine paste. And these are all my other ingredients. I will show you all. Okay, till then, see you. So now let's add the dry ingredients and sieve it. And our baking powder, 1 teaspoon. And let's add a pinch of salt also. Mix all this and leave it aside. Then we'll do our wet ingredients. Now this is chocolate and butter. Now we will add to this our dates paste, which I soaked in hot water and then took out the seeds and then made a paste. Then our curd, and we mix all this nicely. Now we'll add our dry ingredient in this and mix this. Now if it's little bit dry, then you can add the same water where you have soaked the dates. If you don't want to add the same water, you can add milk. Preheat the oven for 20 minutes on 180 degrees. Then bake this for 25 minutes on 180 degrees. Keep your baking tray, grease it with oil or butter. And it's done. And now finally we have to put our walnuts. So crush it in hand. Few I will keep to garnish it. That's it. Easy busy. And here is my tray to pick it. It will go in this. So much cooking is there. So many things you can cook. So the best part, it is eggless, sugarless, healthy. And then Spread this nicely and bake this. That's it. Okay. And then just tap this and let's bake this. Bake this now for 180 degrees for around 25 minutes. And here is our chocolate brownie. Eggless and sugarless is ready. And so try and make this and enjoy.